So I wanted to make this video so everybody can see that is in the where the storm is going to be heading, that it's no joke that this storm, it's and this storm is a rain wrapped tornado that is very hard to see, and this same cell has produced 4 tornadoes already today, and this is the same cell that went just about 3 minutes away from my house, and the funnels kept coming down, and everybody all the weathermen are saying that it's a multi-vortex tornado, and that it keeps dropping down, comes back up, and it's just repeating the cycle over and over again. It'll gain strength and come back down, and then go back up, and then it'll pop back down and go right back up. So everybody in the path of this, please stay safe and don't take any chances. Tornadoes aren't something to screw around with.